Your mind is a powerful force, and every thought you have is a command to the universe. Right now, as you read these words, your brain is processing information, creating neural connections, and shaping your reality. This isn't just a philosophical idea, it's backed by science. Your thoughts are more than fleeting moments. They are instructions to your biology, signals to your cells, and messages to the quantum field that surrounds us all. I remember a moment years ago when I stood in front of a mirror, lost in thought. I realized that my inner dialogue was shaping my life in ways I hadn't even noticed. Phrases like "I'm not good enough" or "this is too hard" had become unconscious scripts I was following. But in that moment, I became aware of the power of my words. It hit me that what Neville Goddard and modern neuroscience teach is true. Our thoughts create our reality. So, take a moment to think about what you're telling yourself. Are you empowering your future with positive, uplifting words, or are you holding yourself back with negative self-talk? The choice is yours, and the impact is real. Your cells are listening, and your brain is changing based on the messages you send it. Make sure those messages are ones that support the life you want to live. Now, take a deep breath and affirm your intention. You are ready for abundance, success, and joy. Writing it down strengthens the message, so say it out loud. I always attract success and positivity into my life. Think about how often you've told yourself today what you can't do, what you're not capable of, or what's impossible. Each of those statements is a command to your brain, programming your reality. Take a moment to listen to the voice in your head. Is it the voice of the person you want to become, or the voice of who you've always been? This question could be the most important one you ask yourself today. Here's a truth you need to hear. You've been manifesting your life experience every single moment with every word you've spoken to yourself. Every time you've said, "I am," you've been engaging in quantum physics, programming your biological computer with repetitive scripts that play out automatically. But today, you're going to learn how to rewrite those scripts. You'll understand the exact science of how your words shape your reality and master the art of speaking to yourself in a way that creates change at the speed of thought. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's about positive programming on a molecular subatomic level. Over the next few minutes, I'll give you the formula for transforming your inner dialogue into your most powerful tool for manifestation. So ask yourself, are you truly ready to change the conversation you've been having with yourself? Every time you speak to yourself, you're creating tangible changes in your brain's physical structure. Imagine waking up every morning and telling yourself, "I'm tired," or "I can't do this." Your brain isn't just hearing those words, it's creating that reality. Scientists have discovered that a single thought can release hundreds of neurochemicals within milliseconds. When you repeatedly tell yourself something positive or negative, you're programming your brain to make that thought automatic. This is because neurons that fire together wire together. If this resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and helps us keep bringing you more insights and inspiration. Plus, subscribing ensures you stay updated with all our latest content. Let's break down the biology. Every time you speak to yourself, your brain cells connect in specific patterns. The more you repeat a thought, the stronger those neural connections become. It's like walking the same path through a field of tall grass. The more you walk it, the more defined that path becomes. Your thoughts are literally carving pathways in your brain. But it goes deeper than that. Quantum physics shows that your thoughts create electromagnetic fields that extend beyond your body, interacting with the quantum field that connects everything in the universe. Your words are not just internal, they are energy waves that ripple through this field. Studies on meditation reveal something incredible. When people reach certain brainwave states, especially gamma waves, their ability to manifest physical changes increases dramatically. Gamma waves, which operate around 40 Hz, are produced during moments of intense focus and clear intention. Your self-talk can even trigger these brainwave patterns, helping you connect with the quantum field in a more powerful way. Every time you say something like "I can't" or "it's too hard," you're reinforcing old patterns that shape your reality. But when you start aligning your self-talk with what you truly desire, speaking with clarity and conviction, your brainwaves change to match that intention. This harmony between thought and intention is what allows you to tune into the quantum field and begin manifesting the life you desire. Here's where it gets fascinating. Recent research in epigenetics has shown that positive self-talk can actually switch your genes on and off. Yes, your words can influence gene expression. Scientists have found that empowering self-talk can activate genes associated with health, longevity, and healing, while negative self-talk can activate genes associated with disease and stress. So, every word you speak isn't just affecting your mood, it's programming your genetic code. Think about the frequency of your words. When you speak to yourself, you're creating specific energy frequencies. Positive, empowering self-talk produces high-frequency energy patterns that foster harmony within your cells, while negative self-talk produces low-frequency energy patterns that lead to cellular chaos. This is why conscious self-talk, combined with meditation, is so effective. When you enter a meditative state, you shift your brain from high-frequency beta waves to lower alpha and theta waves, allowing your words to penetrate deeply into your subconscious mind and rewire it. During meditation, your words become more powerful because they can reach the subconscious, which is responsible for most of your behavior and reactions. When you speak to yourself with intention and clarity, you're not just changing your mind, you're reprogramming your entire biological system. Neville Goddard and Dr. Joe Dispenza both emphasize that your beliefs and internal dialogue shape your external world. The coherence of your brainwaves becomes a reflection of your alignment with your highest self. As you practice this new way of thinking, it will become your default mode. Your brain will create new neural pathways, making it easier to think empowering thoughts. Dr. Joe Dispenza calls this becoming familiar with the future, and Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Both principles remind us that to create a new reality, we must first believe in it as though it already exists. To support this new mindset, make sure your environment is on board. Get rid of triggers that lead you back to old patterns, whether it's certain people, places, or habits. Surround yourself with positive influences and feed your mind with empowering messages. This helps reinforce the new neural pathways you're building. Here's a powerful tip. In those quiet moments during the day, take a few seconds to breathe and reaffirm your intentions. Say to yourself, "I am on the right path," or "I am in alignment with my highest self." These simple statements act as quick reminders to your subconscious mind, helping you stay focused on your desired reality. As you continue this practice, you'll start to notice signs of alignment with your intentions. You might experience synchronicities, feel an energy boost, or see new opportunities come your way. These are signs that you're moving closer to your desired reality. Celebrate these moments. They're confirmations from the universe that you're on the right path. Every word, every thought is an investment in your future. When you commit to this process, you're creating a foundation that will support you for the rest of your life. Imagine how different your life could look in just a few months if you consistently spoke to yourself as if you were already the person you desire to be. One of the most powerful words you can use is "I am." Every time you say it, you're declaring something about your identity. You're instructing your brain to create that experience in your life. If you say, "I am stressed," or "I am overwhelmed," your body responds with stress hormones, reinforcing that state. But when you say, "I am calm," or "I am powerful," your body releases chemicals that support those states. Start small by choosing 1 or 2 empowering I am statements to repeat throughout your day. Say them with intention and conviction. For example, you might say, I am resilient, or I am in harmony. Over time, these words will become ingrained in your subconscious, helping you build a new self-image. Remember, as Neville Goddard taught, feeling is the secret. It's not enough to just say the words, you must feel the truth of them in your body. If you struggle to believe these new statements at first, don't worry. Your brain is naturally resistant to change. It prefers familiar patterns, even if they're negative. This is where persistence comes in. By repeating these empowering phrases consistently, you're slowly retraining your brain to accept them as truth. Over time, they'll feel more natural, and your reality will start to shift to match this new self-image. Visualization can amplify the power of your words. As you say your chosen phrases, close your eyes and imagine yourself embodying those qualities. See yourself as confident, strong, and aligned. Feel the emotions associated with that vision. This combination of words, images, and emotions creates a powerful signal to your brain and body, accelerating the manifestation of your desired reality. Now let's talk about self-criticism, a common pitfall many people face. Being harsh on yourself only reinforces old, limiting patterns. Imagine if you spoke to a friend the way you sometimes speak to yourself. How would they feel? Would they feel empowered, uplifted, or discouraged? The same goes for your inner dialogue. Your words have the power to lift you up or tear you down. Make a commitment to replace self-criticism with self-compassion. If you catch yourself in negative self-talk, pause and reframe it. Instead of saying, I always mess up, try saying, I'm learning and growing every day. Instead of, I'm not good enough, remind yourself, I am worthy and capable. This shift might feel challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes a natural part of your inner dialogue. Gratitude is one of the highest emotional frequencies you can experience, and it has a powerful impact on your brain and body. When you express gratitude, you're signaling to your brain that you're in a state of abundance, not lack. This shift changes your focus from what's missing to what's already here, helping you attract more of what you want into your life. Every morning, take a moment to express gratitude for who you're becoming. Say something like, I'm grateful for my growth, or I'm thankful for my resilience. This type of self-talk reinforces a sense of appreciation for yourself and the journey you're on. When you combine gratitude with positive self-talk, you create a magnetic energy that draws your desires closer to you. Remember, this isn't a quick fix or a temporary solution. Creating a new reality requires commitment and patience. You're undoing years of habitual thinking and replacing it with intentional conscious thought. This work is deeply transformative, and it's something you can return to again and again throughout your life. In conclusion, cultivating gratitude, using empowering affirmations, and practicing self-love are key steps in transforming your life. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself as you navigate this journey. Every small step you take brings you closer to your desired reality. Trust in your ability to create the life you've always dreamed of, and know that the universe is always supporting you.